Hey everyone, Desiree here. So in today's video, I'm going to do an unboxing / opening of a couple of new traveler's notebooks that I bought on Amazon. Now, as you all know, or maybe you don't know if you're new, I have been wanting a clear traveler's notebook for quite a while. I bought one, wasn't that great, and I have seen a few other makers make some, but it's kind of hard to find one in the sizes that I use. So I found a couple on Amazon. I ordered it and they came today, so I thought it would be fun, of course, to go ahead and open it. Now, all I did was cut open the top of the envelopes so I wouldn't be struggling with it during the opening. So I did get two in two different sizes, so let's go ahead and start with the small package. And, oh, this is nice. So, let's see if this will focus. It says multi-bay color travel carried size 4x7 made in China. Alright, so let's go ahead and see if I can open this. I may need to use my scissors. And for some reason I feel really anxious opening this. I don't know why. But anyway, so this is, if I can get it out. Ooh, this is a clear, and I'll try not to get the glare by reflection, a clear holographic traveler's notebook. And again, if I can show you guys that. And of course, I will link this down below in case you are interested in ordering this, so you can see the exact one that I got. But wow, and it's got like a plastic, I guess film or cover on it. At least I hope that's a cover. I hope that's not the plastic messed up. No, it is a cover. Okay. Now, I didn't realize that this came with inserts and a zip pouch. Oh, it comes with 3 inserts. Okay. And I'm obviously going to have to work to take this plastic off. Oh, there we go. Okay. So this is a holographic personal size clear traveler's notebook. It comes with a little, you know, obviously it comes with an elastic, but I forgot what this is called, just like a closure or something. And you have, okay, I think I see how this is set up. Oh, it comes with a jump band. So you get 3 inserts, excuse me, a zip pouch, okay, so it only has 1 elastic. I see what they did. So that's how they made all the notebooks fit inside. And one notebook is the tiny dot grid. And I hope that's showing up. Oops. The other notebook is the same tiny dot grid, but you have room for a header up here, and then I guess some type of tracker down here. And then this insert is just a plain lined insert. Wow, this is really nice, and it was not that expensive. And it doesn't have any kind of a weird smell. And again, this is the holographic vinyl traveler's notebook in the personal size. Okay, so let's go ahead and open the standard size. Now this is also from the same seller. I don't know why they came separately, but let me go ahead and cut this one open. And so far I'm really impressed. I'm really impressed with the inserts, because I didn't think it came with inserts. I thought it was just the notebook by itself. And it's both of them were very, very well packaged. So this one has an F on the front. I don't know why. So I like the fact that it was packaged really well, because you know these plastic notebooks, they can get bent or damaged during shipping. Okay. Sorry guys, took me a while. If I would have known, I would have I would have planned it a little bit better. But let's go ahead and open her up. Oops. Wow, you guys, this is so nice. Now this one is the standard size. And again, it looks like it has inserts. This one has 1, 2, 3 inserts also. I'm not sure why this has an F on the box. Okay, this one does not have the plastic covering on it. And I do see quite a few scratches on this one. I don't know if it's used, but maybe it's supposed to be that way. Or maybe it does have the plastic. I can't tell. I mean, I can feel it or hear it, but I don't see it. But anyway, oh yeah, it does have it. Sorry, I think I'm in and out of frame there. But so this one also has 3 inserts that come with it. Again, the tiny dot grid. You also get a zip pouch, a really nice zip pouch. Then you get the plain lined, and then the tiny dot grid with the header space and the tracker. Oh, this one doesn't have a tracker on the bottom. And again, it's the holographic clear traveler's notebook. Wow, I'm actually very impressed at the quality of these. I can't wait to get them set up, and I will definitely show you guys that when I figure out how I'm going to use them. But for the price, I mean, you can't beat it. Oops, let's fix this one here. But yeah, so I only saw it in 2 sizes. I saw the standard size and then the personal size, or what would be considered like a number 4 in a Foxy Fix size. And they're really nice. I mean, like I said, I'm really impressed. And the vinyl doesn't feel too stiff or thick, but I do think it would take a little work to make it lay flat, because it doesn't lay flat. That's okay. All right, everyone, so I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of my clear hollow traveler's notebooks. If you have any questions, feel free to drop those down below. If you're not subscribed, please make sure you do that, because I do have a lot more videos to come. And make sure you hit the notification bell, because that way you will be alerted when I post a new video. All right, everyone, thank you so much for taking the time to watch. I'll definitely see you in the next video. Bye.